we have inequality 6x minus 14 is less than equal 4. So let me copy this inequality. We have 6x minus 14 is less than or equals 4. When we have to solve inequality, it means we have to find all possible values of x for which this inequality is true. So first I will move negative 14 to the right side. So I have 6x is less than equal 4. Negative become positive, will be plus 14. So I have 6x less than 4 plus 14 is 18. Now, because I have multiplication here, I will divide both sides by 6. So 6 and 6 will cancel out, and I have x is less than or equals 18 divided by 6 is 3. So let me draw number line. X, I will have 0, 1, 2, 3. Because I have sign less than or equals, I have to include it 3. And because we have less sign, it means going to the left side to negative infinity. So we have interval from negative infinity to positive 3. Because 3 is included, I have to close interval on the right side. This is our solution. When we want to check if everything is correct, I will have to choose one number from this interval. I can choose 3 because 3 is included. So for x equals 3, I will have, let me copy first this inequality, 6x minus 14 is less than equals 4. So 6 times 3 minus 14 is less than equals 4. 6 times 3 is 18, minus 14 is less than equals 4. 18 minus 14 is 4. So we see this is true. 4 is equals 4. So our solution is correct.